Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: QC ID, credentials, and any API token. Make sure the target system is reachable. Now open the binding interface or CLI and authenticate. Once logged in, locate the entity you will bind the QC ID to and snapshot its current state or export a small dataset. This prevents accidental loss and gives an easy rollback. Finally, select the bind action and prepare the QC ID field. Validate format and length before proceeding to avoid simple rejections. You now map QC ID attributes to the targets fields, double-check types and required flags because mismatches cause silent failures. Once mappings are set, run the binding command or submit the form and monitor the response stream. If there are validation errors, read them and correct the mapping immediately. After the operation completes, inspect system logs and return codes for success indicators. Make sure to capture transaction ID and timestamps so you can trace the change later if needed. You finish by validating the bind. Query the target and compare results to your pre-bind snapshot. Confirm the QC ID appears and linked data is intact. Once satisfied, update documentation and adjust permissions if the QC ID introduces access changes and inform stakeholders of completion. If anything looks off, stop further changes and use your snapshot or documented rollback to restore the prior state. A key troubleshooting tip: if binding fails, check format validation and server-side uniqueness constraints first. They are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.